Hey everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's a 2026 BMW M340i xDrive sedan 50-yard edition in Madeira Red Metallic with the Black Merino Leather inside. All right, so this is the 2026 BMW M340i 50-yard edition in Madeira Red Metallic. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly, but as far as my linguistics skills go, Madeira Red. And this is one of 100 units to Canada of the 50-yard edition BMW M340i. So I'm gonna do a lap all the way around. I did press unlock on the key, but it's kind of bright out here, so it's hard to see the DRLs, but they are on right now. And I can see we've got the 20s on there. And this one is paired with the Black Merino Leather inside. And I just had to wait. It was raining all week. I had to wait till the sun came out so I could shoot this, because man, this color inside looks like it's like dark brown, but outside you can really see how it looks. And we've got the special yard edition badging on the back. So now that we've done this lap, let's take a closer look at all the details. So this is the beautiful Madeira Red Metallic. This is actually the first car that I've ever even seen in this paint for this special edition. And it looks pretty sweet. Look at that. It looks almost like a cherry red where the light hits it. It's almost like a copper. And in dark light, it's almost like a dark burgundy. But yeah, this color looks sweet. Metallic paint. Shows off the lines on the hood real good. There's my big shadow. We've got the rondelle up front and center. We've got the one-piece high-gloss black kidney grille with the honeycomb grille. And we also have some honeycomb stuff down here at the bottom. These grills are shut right now. They're active grill shutters. And I'm just going to press unlock once again. We get the DRLs on. And press and hold panic for 1 second so we get the full low beam system on as part of the pathway lighting. That front end never fails. And I can see we've got the radar puck, so this does have the optional advanced driver assist. And down here, more functional air ducts and such. Front end looks sweet. Now if we come around to the side, you'll see that we have the 20-inch Y-spoke 795M wheels in ferric gray, and these are M Performance wheels. And we do have the blue M Sport brake back there, which looks awesome. And we also have the Pirelli P0s on here. And we have black M wing mirror, black window surrounds, sunroof up top, new style antenna. And let me just step back for a second. Whoop, almost walked into something. Side profile view looks good. M badge deletion on the fender for Canadian market. Most Canadian M340i's will have the badge there, but as part of the 50-yard edition, they've taken it away. We also have the body color rocker panel, and there is a welcome light carpet, but it is way too bright here to see anything but cement on the ground. And we've got touch comfort access on all 4 door handles. We have the Hofmeister kink. Here's your rear quarter with the rear 795M wheel with the blue caliper. And we do also have the black spoiler on the trunk lid, L-shaped tail lights towards the rear, and we have the special M340i Yard Edition badging. And down here, rear diffuser with the freeform exhaust, and this one has the M Performance exhaust installed. And I've got the key with me. Let's go for a little kick. So that will open up the hands-free way. Inside of here, carpet mats, rubber mats, front plate bracket, a little storage area. There's release levers at the top to fold down the seats in a 60-40 split. Grocery bag hangers here. Netted area is down, but it's on this side. Wheel lock, key, tow hook, all over here. There's a button here to close, another one to close and lock, but we can just kick our foot underneath the middle. Man, this color is wild. Now if we go ahead and press on the 9 o'clock position on the fuel cap door, this is connected to the central locking system. We're looking for 93 octane. BMW M recommends Shell V-Power. There's a spot to put the cap while you refuel. And down here, open that up. So we've got some stitching going across the door panel, galvanic window controls, some ambient light, Harman Kardon sound system, door pocket. These are the beautiful merino leather seats. And you got these nice stitching patterns on here. Smells real good in here, like leather, and soft to the touch. Center headrest can be flipped up or down, pass through the center, armrests in the center as well with some cup holders. We also have on the back of the center console some vents, rear climate controls, 2 USB Type-C charging ports, and vents and lighting for your rear passengers. Shut that one. We'll open the front door next. So down here, again, more stitching going across. Nice galvanic window control. Harman Kardon, door pocket. 3 Series 50R edition door sill. Sticker's still on there. And we got the wrapping paper on the seat, but you can see we have manual under the thigh extension. Beautiful stitching on it. Heavy bolstering. And headrest is manually adjusted as well. We have the carbon fiber interior trim. Nice stitching on the dash here. Illuminated glove box down here. Vent close, vent open, direct where the vents are blowing. There's 4 controls like that. We have the curved display here with iDrive 8.5. Cascading ambient light here on the vents. 50R edition nameplate. Wireless charger, cup holders, and it's the train. It's been a wild train. And we have glass push start button, glass iDrive controller, glass gear selector, and if I lift this up, USB Type-C charging port. So let's shut the passenger door and we'll go to the driver's side next. All right, let's open up the driver door here. So in here we do have more stitching, memory buttons, unlock, lock, door pull, galvanic window controls, side mirror controls, tailgate releases here. Another 50R edition door sill. Full power seat with lumbar and side bolster for the driver's side. There's your flat bottom steering wheel with M at 6 o'clock, M tricolor stitching, red marker at 12 o'clock, head up display. And because we have the advanced driver assist, we do have cruise control with assisted driving plus, so speeds below 60, no hands on the steering wheel, the car will manage the traffic jam for you. And speeds above 60, eyes open, you just have to have one hand on the steering wheel. And we got the 360 cam, so we do have automatic back park, parallel park, come out of a parking spot, backup assistant that remembers 50 meters how you went forward and goes back 50 meters the same way. 3D view, you can see through the app. That's cool. The color looks really cool on the screen here. And we also have the drive recorder in this model. So it'll record every time the ignition's on, and it can save the recording if there's either a crash or a manual input to record. We also have the buttons here for your garage door openers. Up top, sunroof controls, SOS for roadside. Visor comes down, you can open that up. Light turns on, this can also come out, it can also extend. And we got the microphone on the ceiling for Bluetooth. We got the handle. So now that we've had a good chance to look through this, let's get back out. And down here, exterior lighting controls are here. Pedals, and here's your hood release. 1, 2. So when we arrive to the front, we won't have to find anything here. We just have to lift this up. And there it is, the beautiful B58 3-liter inline 6 twin power turbo. We have 386 horsepower, 398 foot-pounds of torque, I think I said 384 horsepower in the last M340i video, my mistake. Sometimes I'm a bit tired. Positive battery terminal, negative battery terminal, washer fluid. What an absolute beast. And BMWs also have 2 latches under the hood. One here, one there. So to close the hood properly, bring the hood about halfway, fingers on the rondelle, center down. Beauty. All right, so before we conclude the video, I just wanted to do one more lap all the way around. This color is very, very unique and looks really awesome. So this is likely one of 2 of these 50-yard editions we'll receive. One of them has already been delivered, which was the Avus blue one. And guess what? This one has now become available. The deal on it has fallen through. So if you want 1 out of 100 50-yard editions, contact me right now. This can be yours. And you know what? Let's make sure that M Performance exhaust sounds good. 1, 2, 3 on the lock button. So now what we'll do, I'm just gonna let it warm up a bit. I wanna do a couple of revs. All right, M Performance exhaust sounds wicked. All right, everyone, so that was my tour of this beautiful 2026 BMW M340i 50-yard edition in Madeira Red with the black interior. Yeah, how do you like this car? How do you like this spec? There's only 1 out of 100. If you want it to be yours, don't delay. This car is going to move. So if you like the car, if you like the video, if you like me, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll put the pricing information in the description below. Please follow me on Instagram. It's @AlanBMW Durham. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.